Hello, this is my submission for Lab 2.3 with Cybersecurity 501 at St. Bonaventure University. The point of this lab was to run a few targeted scans using different tools and to view the results and compare and contrast the tools. The first one is Greenbone's OpenVAS scanner, which I set some configurations to view the targets on my local network using my local network IDs and running a scan based on those. As you can see here, the scan really didn't find much, and that's because the targets on my network are pretty unresponsive most of the time. So what I did notice is that it did only take a few seconds, and from what I could tell, really didn't consume that much bandwidth. However, when I ran an nmap script, specifically the one seen here, sudo nmap script vulners, and output the output to a text file, as you see here. First of all, this script is a script that prints out known vulnerabilities on the IP target listed in the command line. And here is the output. So firstly, the most open is the machine that this is on. However, this is not necessarily what we were looking for. The rest, again, all closed. But what I did notice is that this took a significantly longer time to run than the OpenVAS. So as much as this tool is much less graphical and much more verbose, you need to understand a lot more what you're looking at in order to gain an understanding of what is happening. The OpenVAS Security Assistant is much more graphical in what it chooses to show you. Of course, there's not much to see here because, as I mentioned, my scans returned no information, unfortunately, but it's information on here that is much more easily digestible to categorize. It's a lot easier to categorize than here. Here everything is not disorganized, but it's much more separate. So yeah, those are the limitations of those two tools as far as I can see. And I would also like to repeat that the nmap script that I ran took a lot longer and seemed to be a lot more thorough in its scan, or at least in the way that this one was configured. Thank you for watching.